Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So now we are going to present our second surprise.
Yes, so this all are our tributes actually.
Yes,
So
tribute to our Talapati.
let them guess at least first. Okay, guess करो क्या हो सकता है. Already I know guys, you know that. Okay, मैं बोल ही देती हूँ कि ज़्यादा surprise भी अच्छा नहीं है. So this one.
So this one.
I drew that and this is our Talapati Vijay sir. I know. I think it is looking similar, right? I think it's looking similar only, and this is only the pencil sketch. And I'm so sorry, I don't have the proper pencil. Also, I have this
And,
pencil only.
I think
and
right
by this
now,
only I have
right
done
now
that.
you will be able to see in our screen. So what you guys are feeling about this sketch? I think she has tried a lot, and whatever she wanted to achieve, she has came to the near to that.
Actually, I learned drawing. Actually, I think you can say when I was in class, not class also. When I was very small, I was 4 years old. That time only I started learning drawing, and I have continued that till 8th standard. Okay,
Yes.
after 8th grade, I stopped it because of my, obviously studies and everything.
Yeah.
Then I, did my engineering and all. So I went to
Never got time.
never
after
got time.
that.
I went to hostels and everything, and
Yes.
I didn't get time. But drawing is always my passion, and I thought, okay, if I could draw a picture of Talapati Vijay sir, that would be a great honor for
Yes.
me, and you guys also will be very happy. And also I can see that मैं भूल
Yes,
गई हूँ या फिर अभी तक मैं कर सकती
as
हूँ.
if you have that talent, so I think it's very good that you are contributing your talent or
Thank you
showcasing
so
your
much.
talent.
Thank you, but
Yes.
I think it is quite nearer. I'm not telling that this is 100% Talapati Vijay sir
But
only,
yes,
but
after I think around
around 15 years I have drew. I
okay,
think
so
15 years, yes.
of course it will be a tough challenge for anybody after discontinue any passion
Yeah.
or anything and starting again with that passion. It will be really a tough.
So frankly speaking, I didn't get time. I actually don't get time to, follow my passion. Drawing is my passion. Singing is my passion. Dancing is my passion. I learned all of these things, but
Actually,
I couldn't get time.
Being a husband also, I knew
Yeah.
that these all are her passion, but I have never seen.
Yes.
This is the first sketch I am seeing live.
Yes, yes. He didn't know that actually. In the
Yes.
college also, I never expressed. I never did.
Yes.
On the I'm telling eighth
This is the
grade
first
only
time
I have
think
finished.
I was really surprised that she is able to do this fabulous job.
Thank you so much, Abhay.
Yes.
But our guys, like our friends, will tell us now
Yes.
that this drawing will be loved by Talapati Vijay sir or not.
So we are going
I
to
am
share
very
in our
much-
Instagram page
Yes,
and
we will be
also
doing
on
that.
Twitter.
And also, if anyone wants to achieve this drawing, can let us know.
Yes, of
Right?
course.
We will definitely give away. If you want, you can definitely let us know. And yes, that's it. Happy birthday to Talapati Vijay
Yes,
sir.
many
May God
happy
bless
returns
you.
of the day
Yeah.
once again from us.
Yes, and so many, a lot of videos will be coming throughout the day. So,
So
stay
stay
tuned.
tuned.
Every videos will be on
Yes.
Talapati Vijay sir only. We have a lot of plans. So only two
Of
has been,
22nd, yes.
for 22nd, two has been, succeeded now as of now. Now stay tuned.
Yes.
Okay, and if you like today's content, if you like my drawing, okay, my contribution, this is actually you guys can review.
Yes, it's time for you guys to review.
This is my creation. This one is my creation. So always, like, people also, some people are very angry very times, like, okay, you are only reacting what your talent to do. So this I can do. I have done that. So please, okay, those whoever are angry, like, as per our talent and everything, creativity, this is my creativity. So you can judge me on this, and please let us know
And,
how you like it.
And
or
that also, with that, I don't have that much of talent. This
No,
kind
no,
of
he is
not
very talented.
singing, not drawing, not painting. I don't have that much of talent.
No, not like that. Everybody is born with some talent.
Yes.
Only. So yeah, we should respect that. And yes, this is my contribution to Talapati Vijay sir. Small contribution, small tribute from our side,
Yes.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit side. So yes, that is it for today's video. If you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this
Yes.
video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.